I'll tell you what though, if you want to pretend like you know what you're doing in the kitchen, saute some onions with paprika, because once somebody smells the onions with the paprika, it totally smells like you know what you're doing. Just a little tip. Hi everyone, in today's videos we're gonna talk about Spam. So I've been watching all these YouTubers from Hawaii who are reporting on the volcano, and everybody is going bananas about Spam. So I decided to give it a try. I've never had Spam in my life. I just have one question. How is it cheap to eat Spam if this can of Spam it's $2.99 plus taxes? And then this ground pork, which to me appears to be quite a bit bigger than that can of Spam, organic, non-GMO, that is $2.99 plus taxes. But I'll give it a try. For my gourmet Spam dish, I'm starting up with cooking some rice, just a regular rice recipe. And the first thing I did for cooking the Spam, I chopped up large red onion. So also for the Spam, I'm chopping up 3 large mushrooms. We're gonna make a super gourmet Spam dish. And to cook the Spam, in a large pan, I'm gonna add some olive oil. And then I'm gonna toss in my mushrooms. And this is what we're looking for when cooking the mushrooms. Really, really sizzling. Can't believe I'm cooking Spam. And only about 2 or 3 minutes later, the mushrooms are starting to get golden brown. So I am going to add my onions. About two nice pinches of Himalayan salt, and I'm not gonna go too brave with the salt because I am not sure how salty the Spam is. Next, I'm gonna add some black pepper and a little bit of sweet paprika. And now please bear with me because I've never even opened a can of Spam before. But alright, it says open here. Alright, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna try and get it out of the can. Is there any liquid in it? No. Oh, that was easy. Okay, I am going to try it now. Oh, not bad. Pretty salty though. Have you had Spam before? This is what we're having for dinner. Alright, so while the onions and the mushrooms are finishing up cooking, I am going to slice my Spam. I wonder if I should do like a backup plan for dinner. The onions and the mushrooms have cooked to my liking, and now I'm gonna add the Spam. Once the Spam is in, you just have to keep cooking it until, to be honest with you, I don't know when. Or just keep an eye on it. In a separate pan, I'm gonna add some olive oil and then about a quarter of a cup of flour. Start mixing the flour and the oil. I'm going to add just a tad of bone broth. Alright, some more broth. And this is about the consistency I'm looking for in the gravy. So it's just bone broth, flour, salt and black pepper. And I'm gonna cook it just an extra maybe a minute or so to get it just a little bit thicker. And now, the moment of truth, I'm going to dish up my gourmet Spam dish. So here is my cooked rice in a little bowl. I'm gonna place the bowl here just to make it, since it's gourmet, I'm gonna make it all fancy looking. Alright, very pretty. And then I'm gonna add some of my Spam cooked with onions and mushrooms right on the top. Alright, and then I'm going to add some of the gravy. Boom! Look at that. Well, it looks delicious, so let's try it. So I'm guessing that's gonna be very salty because I already added salt and the Spam turned out to be salty. So we have rice, mushroom, onion and Spam. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe. Usually I have better recipes than this one. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!